Hello, dear students. Welcome to Santokaram National Model School. These are online classes of Social Studies, Class 4. So let's start. Before moving on to our main content, let's revise quickly or just try to remember what we learned previously. It is that we learned the landforms and water bodies, and we also learned continental drift series, how the continent was formed, and all such things, right? So based on these landforms, you are having different landforms, that is the plains, plateaus, hills, mountains, and based on that, our India is having different physical divisions. Till now, we have completed mountain, that is the northern mountains and the northern plains. You can go and watch these videos on our YouTube channel. So let's move. Today we are going to start a new video series, and in this video series, we are going to learn the plateaus and highlands of our India. It is one of the physical division. It is one of the landform, you can say. Based on that landform, you are having physical divisions in our India. Regarding physical divisions, already the video is posted. You can watch that video too on our YouTube. So before starting, let's see the definition of the plateaus. What is meant by a plateau, or what is the highland, and why that particular region is called as peninsular plateau and all such things. Okay, so clearly the definition is given here. You can see here on the screen. A raised land with a flat top is known as plateau. A separate video is already posted on our YouTube channel, so please go and watch to understand what is the meaning of the plateau. Yes, so the definition, short definition: a raised land with a flat top is known as a plateau. As you can see in this adjacent figure, this is the surrounded land. Okay, this is the surrounding land, and this one, this brown color, is the plateau region, which is a raised land than that of the surrounding land, and it is having a flat top. So this is a plateau. Here in another image, you can see here, it is also a raised land with a flat top, and hence it is called as a plateau. In this chapter or in this video series, we are going to see the southern plateau or the peninsular plateau. It is a largest physical division of our India. So let's go with the extent of the southern plateau. Extent means from the point where it starts and at the point where it ends. It is a very big division. It is actually the biggest physical division of our India, that is the southern plateau, or you can say the peninsular plateau. The southern plateau and peninsular plateau are one and the same. So where does it extends from and where does it ends? Yes, you can see here the physical map of our India is given here. That is the physical features are given. Just now we have seen the northern mountains or the Himalayan mountains. Below that you are having the northern plains, and below that you are having the peninsular plateau or the southern plateau. So you can say that just below the northern plains, the peninsular plateau starts and it ends at the southernmost tip of our India. So this is the biggest region, or this is the biggest physical division of our India. The states which are covered under this peninsular plateau, these are given here. It is the Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, and also few parts of the Kerala and the Tamil Nadu. Few parts of Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and as well as Andhra Pradesh. These states are included in this peninsular plateau. It is a very big division. It is very big physical division, or it is a very big region, largest region you can say of our India. Right? The shape of the peninsular plateau, as you can clearly see here, it is little triangular in shape, but that triangle is little different. It is like inverted triangle, as you can see here. Both type of triangles I have given here. It is inverted triangle. What does that mean? It means that the base of this peninsular plateau, or the base of this triangle shape, is towards the north side or towards the upside. Usually the triangle is like this. The tip is always on the top, and at the bottom you are having base, right? But our peninsular plateau is little different. It is inverted triangle, means the base is at the top side and the tip is at the bottom. You can clearly see this region will be called as the tip of the southern plateau, and this is called as the base of the southern plateau. So it is just, when we say that triangle, it is triangular in shape. When we say that the southern plateau or the peninsular plateau is triangular in shape, actually it is having base at the top here and tip at the bottom here. Further, this southern plateau gets divided into central highlands and the Deccan plateau. it gets divided by the Narmada River. The Narmada River, which is a west flowing river, it gets divided by the Narmada River into two parts. That is the Central Highlands, which is the northern part, and Deccan Plateau, which is the southern part. So we will stop here, and in next video, we will see the Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau separately. Till then, bye everyone. Have a nice day.